Hey everybody, it's mail call from our friends up in Essex Junction, Vermont. Tony's Train Exchange. We got some treats, and they love peanuts. What kind of goodies do we have in here today? Well, look at that. An F40PH with new ditch lights and Superliner cars. So, from our friends up there at Tony's Train Exchange, it's a Kato starter set. And you think, well, why are you getting this, Scott? Don't you already have enough F40s? Well, no, I don't. And the price was $125 for a brand new Kato F40 and 3 Superliner cars. It's basically like getting the Superliner cars for free. So in the upcoming week, I'm going to take this guy and some of the other F40s I've got recently, and we're going to weather them up, dirty them up a little bit. Nothing horrible. Many of you subscribers know already that on a lot of these Superliner cars, they're decaled in the phase 1 of the first Superliners on one side and the more modern schemes on the back. Hopefully by getting some more of these first generation Superliners, I can take some of the crummy decals that wear off on here and just have one train set of modern and one of like 80s. So that's kind of the goal. This is the only one I have that has ditch lights. Yeah, so he's kind of modern looking. Here's the two I got from Trains with a Z. And then here's my original Kato. He's weathered a little bit. Nothing serious. But we're going to make these 3 a little more dirty, a little more used. That looks kind of cool. Sleeper. Get a little closer. Our coach baggage. And a regular old coach. Something I like to do is I take a little Tester's red model paint and I highlight the marker lights on the back. So I don't have lit Amtrak cars. But those 3 new ones are going to end up looking just a little more worn. A dummy I made out of a lifelike. It's now at the Illinois Railroad Museum, 231. Chris Fussell's old Operation Lifesaver F40. It used to live at the Brooklyn Yard with its stablemates. Try to make the yard a little realistic.